Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you guys a rebel blue look, literally all blue. If you want to try to achieve this look, keep watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, I already primed my eyelids and did my eyebrows off camera. You already know I use the same products, and I just used the concealer, the concealer LA Pro Girls to prime my eyes, and I set that with my airspun powders. So let's go ahead and get into these shadows. Started off, I'm using my BH Cosmetics 28 Modern Matte palette and my MAC 224 brush. I've been calling this the 226 brush, and it's a 224 brush. So, yeah, excuse me. I'm just going to use this light blue right here. And I'm just going to start putting that into my crease / upper crease, you know, just to start as my transition color, because we're going all blue today. We're going all blue. I'm really trying to match the color in my shirt. I know that's the only blue I have in my shirt, but so. Going into that same palette, I'm going to take a blending brush. That's what it says on the brush. And I'm going into this darker blue right here. Oops, right here. And I'm going to actually put that into my crease. Okay, going into my Subculture Palette by Anastasia, I'm going to take the color Axis, which is like a turquoise kind of, and I'm taking my diffusing brush. That's what it says, so that's what I'm going to call it. And I'm just going to go back into my crease just to darken my crease a little bit more. And taking my MAC 224 brush, I'm just going to blend everything out. My concealer in Porcelain by Anastasia, by LA Pro Girls. Just going to put that in the back of my hand. We're about to cut our crease. MAC 248 brush, I'm just going to take that and cut my crease. Take me back to Brazil palette and a regular flat eyeshadow brush. I'm just going to take this blue right here and put that all on the middle of my lid. Well, yeah, middle of my lid. That same diffusing brush I took before, I'm just gonna blend out the edges. Going into my eyeshadow palette from Academy of Color, I'm just gonna take this dark blue color right here called Lord with the same diffusion brush, and I'm just going to tap that on my outer edge. And with my MAC 224 brush, I'm just going to blend that. Okay, so going in with another flat eyeshadow brush, I'm going to take the color Cube by, in my Anastasia Subculture Palette. And I'm going to put this in that little white corner. Going back in with that blue that I put in the middle, I'm just going to make the color, you know, come back a little bit. Taking the eyeliner I really hate. I already cleaned up my eyeshadow makeup, so I'm just gonna create a wing really quick, and yeah. take my white eyeliner and I'm just gonna go over that. So I'm just gonna apply my lashes. I got these lashes from the beauty supply store, of course. They are the Iconic Collection in KPEI 27. Sorry. Oh yeah, KPEI 27. Before I put my lashes on, I'm gonna apply some Maybelline Lashsational Mascara. Alright, so now I'm just going to take my baby skin primer and just prime my face. I burnt myself, so if you see a mark right here, don't pay attention to it. Okay, I should have never said something. Now people are going to pay attention to it. And my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, the matte kind, and I'm just going to put that all over my face. Taking my Sephora stippling brush, I'm just gonna blend it all in. Taking my Tarte Shape of Tape concealer, I'm gonna conceal my eyes. I don't know why. Alright, taking my diamond shaped Real Techniques Beauty Blender, I'm going to go ahead and blend it in. My powder brush and my Fit Me setting powder. I'm just going to set. I'm just going to set my concealer. Taking my True Complexions Contour Palette. Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. I don't know what it's in. I'm just going to contour. Taking my favorite blush by Nika K. I'm just gonna add a little bit of blush. My Ruby Kisses blue eyeliner and just go under my eyes. Taking my blending brush from before, I'm just gonna go under my eyes again just to smoke out this blue liner. Now I'm just going to add some mascara to my bottom lashes. Now we're just going to take some Fix Plus spray. Going into my Aurora highlighting palette with my highlighting brush. I'm going blue today, you guys. So I'm going to take this Orient in this color. I know I look crazy, but I'm just gonna take my buffing brush and just, you know, fix everything. Alright, taking the same blue liner, I'm just gonna line my lips. And I'm just going to use a nude lip just to go over it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys.